Hey guys, so we've got something's come to our attention. Not everyone has been able to figure out how to subscribe and comment on our videos on our YouTube channel, like these guys. The biggest thing, if you want to subscribe and you want to leave a comment, you have to have a YouTube account. So if you
First step,
make
open a YouTube account.
If you
Okay.
have an email address, you can have a YouTube account. Simple as it is.
Okay, second step,
Second step is you want to
go to YouTube.
go to YouTube like this. Here, come here.
And
Go to
you
YouTube.
search.
Hold on, let me get out of here. Let me go back
Okay.
to my home.
And
So you
you
go to YouTube.
You
right?
search
You go to the search bar. You search
Russ Bros Official.
official Russ Bros.
You
Russ
have
Bros.
to type that
official.
in, though.
Yes.
Yeah,
have it
you'll
there
have to
'cause
type
we've
it
seen
in.
it,
Mine's
yeah.
pre-populated because I've already looked. Then you-
Pre-populated. What kind of term?
right? Then you can click on it,
Yes.
and then you can subscribe to it.
So you watch the video.
I'm logged into this account, so I can't subscribe to it myself.
Okay.
Because I'm logged into the Russ Bros account right now.
Okay.
And again, Russ Bros Official at Russ Bros Restos.
Will
Oh, my
it focus?
iPhone. What do we think about iPhone sometimes, Connor?
They're trash. See, you see this glorious Android I'm using here?
Ooh.
Okay, but again,
Okay.
back
Let
to
the, get the haters in the comments. Yeah, let us know.
at Russ Bros Restos on the YouTube page. So it's www.youtube.com
YouTube.com/ at Russ Bros Restos.
But either way, it's got to say Russ Bros Official, and you'll see the account.
And that's the right site.
And the picture, the background picture on our page is an overview of the old Field of Dreams.
Right? So when you see the old cars, you know you're at the right place.
So then once you find your video,
Yep.
like this one, here, let's look at the official Russ Bros YouTube channel launch and prize of it giveaway.
Yeah.
If you want to leave a comment, find where it says comments.
Yep. Tap
on
it.
It'll pop up.
And then you comments.
Then you can type a comment.
Type
and
it
you can
in.
Type in a comment
Mike,
there.
you suck. Okay. We get it.
Okay?
Okay. So all you old guys out there that are technologically inept like me and Blair, try that. And if you still have an issue, talk to the kid.
And in the meantime, what do we say, Mike?
Peace, love, and joy. Those that have should give. Take care, guys.
Okay.
Cheers.